Yeah, Jake be fine.
You want to do that one or do you want to do Sullivan's?
Do Sullivan's.
Let's do Sullivan's. So about that tempo.
That was nice.
Thank you. All right, I'm going to get adios here. Thanks so much. This is like, wow.
That's it? I just started. You gonna have another one?
Dan, we good? One more? Okay. These are getting water. These have never gotten waterlogged in this part of the country in summertime ever. It's the darndest thing. And then, you know, imagine going to Hawaii and they get a 1,000-year snowstorm. You save all your life for a trip. And anyway, all right. What are we playing?
I don't know. What do you know? Pick, we'll follow.
You know, let's see, how am I finished? You know the Humors of Whiskey? It's a 9/8 Jake. Yeah, it's 9/8. You get the 9/8s?
You like 9/8?
Actually, do you want to do one you haven't heard before? I got an original composition written out of my daughter.
Go ahead. Yeah, let's do that.
I'll run through it and you guys pick it up. Here's a hint. It's in the mixing.
Thank you.
We've got to go to, we got a pub crawl to hit. I'm expecting from Moab. So thank you. It's been awesome. So how do folks, do you guys have what's your website? How do folks get in touch with you?
PatrickCrossingMusic.com.
Can you hear that? PatrickCrossingMusic.com. Again, Patrick, thanks for your hospitality. Thanks for jamming. It's, wow, thank you.
That was fun. That was fun. Thank you.
Really awesome. Makes me lucky. Now I'm going to discuss the rest of it. Anyway, thanks guys.
Yeah, that was
Thanks for your
too easy.
hospitality.
It was very fun.
Yeah, this beeps. I know you're napping. Should we go home?
You gotta go on that side of me. I don't